Hey everyone, before I get into this little video, I'm just going to be basically showing you my orders like I always do. This page is pretty much, well, this channel is pretty much to promote blazinbeauty. So I want to thank you all very, very much because I was just looking at my analytics, and YouTube is where I get majority of my views and my sales from. So even though you don't subscribe to the channel or like the videos or comment, I just want to really thank you guys because majority of my sales are coming from you guys here on YouTube. Also, thank you for making the Rolling with the Cowboys one of my top sellers on my Etsy store. You guys are showing out on the Blaze collection, which is the men's collection on blazinbeauty. So thank you guys. Alright, so next set of orders. Got them all spray painted and stickers on. These ashtrays are done. So I'm just gonna wrap it like I wrapped that one. This tray, I just need to go get some silver because we're gonna do that one a little different. Alright, so these orders are about to go out tomorrow. I'm sorry, y'all. I was just exercising. Well, dancing. That's my exercise for today. But yeah, I gotta finish wrapping those up, and then that one. And then I'm working on this one. This one's gonna be so dope. I'm gonna have this one on my website. It's gonna be the Rolling with the Cowboys. So these are my other set of orders right there. I'm gonna be getting to those today, hopefully.